Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mosiur English1. Dear viewers, the channel Mosiur English has been created with the view to teaching English to the students systematically. Its aim is to teach the students in a planned way, that is to say, from the beginning to the higher level. Dear students, the language of the channel is English. Don't feel hesitated. After watching my videos, all of your English skills like speaking skill, listening skill, reading skill and writing skill will be developed. After listening my videos more and more, the power of listening will be automatically developed. For example, suppose you have watched some of the videos today. Tomorrow you will also watch some videos. The day after tomorrow you will also watch some videos. In that way, this is one kind of practice. If you do this regularly, one day you will see that you have been successful in listening skill. Dear students, for the developing of speaking skill, what can be done? For the developing of speaking skill, at first finish watching the entire video. Then watch a little bit. Listen what I have said in the video. Pause and practice. Speak louder. Okay. In that way, you can develop your speaking skill. Once again, I say, at first you have to finish watching the entire video. Then, once again, at first you have to finish watching the entire video. Then watch a little bit. Listen to what I have said in the video. Then pause and speak louder. It will be one kind of practicing, especially for the developing of speaking skill. For the developing of reading skill, what can be done? In the same way, at first finish watching the entire video. Then watch again a little bit. Listen to what I said in the video. Then pause, read aloud, because I have already written on the whiteboard. Most of the speeches I have written on the whiteboard. And if you read aloud with the help of the writings from the whiteboard, it will be for the development of your reading skill. It will be helpful for your pronunciation. Dear students, for the development of your writing skill, what can be done? In the same way, while listening, while watching the video, you can take note down. You can make some notes. You can write something in your notebook and then practice. One striking feature: don't copy any content for any commercial purpose. There is a copyright here. Dear viewers, as a student, sit down with a pen and a notebook. Mark the problems what you are facing and question me writing in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer. Dear viewers, I am ready to give you the homework in the community tab regularly. For this reason, you need to subscribe the channel. Without subscribing the channel, You cannot do anything in the community tab. Dear viewers, the world is so competitive, and for any competition, you should prepare yourself at first, and that is since now. And you can do it for English by following my channel. Dear viewers, if you would like to learn any item, for example, if you would like to learn narration, at first you should know sentence, person, case, tense structure, etc. I have already discussed all the necessary items before narration. To teach narration, what you need, I have already discussed in my previous videos. Okay, dear students, for this reason, you need to watch all the videos from the beginning, from the video number 1. Dear viewers, for another example, if you would like to learn simple, complex or compound sentence, at first you need to know clause, finite verb, non-finite verb, conjunction, etc. I have discussed in my previous videos all the necessary items before simple, complex or compound sentence. Dear viewers, there are many things to mention here. If you need to search any item, go to the home page of the channel. Then go to the upper right side. You will find a search box. Write the desired item in the search box and enter. For example, if you need to search voice, write voice in the search box and enter. Dear viewers, if one video has more linked videos, it will be used as playlist. You will find that video in the playlist. Dear viewers, if you would like to watch from the video number 1, what can be done? You should go to the home page of the channel at first. Then you will find a section videos. Enter the videos. You will find a section short by. Enter short by, and you will find an option date added oldest. Enter date added oldest. You will find from the video number 1. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.